careful we should how careful we should be. See here, it is minus of this, right? And we have written minus of only plus first part, 3 plus 3 root 2. That part is we taken only minus. Actually, it should be minus 2 whole this everything. Okay, and b square should be square of it. Then it should be square root of this minus and square root of this. This way it should be. It should have done. Got this?
Yes.
Okay. Next.
Yes.
Now b square minus a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now this is positive. So there is no need of taking this as a negative. Right? Okay. Now it is correct. Then this 3 to the 6 to the 12. 12 root 2 I. It will be 12 root 2 I plus 4i square minus 24i. Okay. Then it will be what? 18. 18 minus 4, 14. This is correct. Plus 12 root 2i minus 24 root 2i. So it will be minus 12. It will be minus 12. This part we need to correct it. Then it will be minus 12 root 2i. Okay. This was one of the misunderstanding. Okay. So here it should be correction minus 12. Minus 12 root 2i. Now, here we forgot this root 2a part. Okay. Let's first find out square root of this number. 12, 12, instead of this 36, there should be 12, right? So here it should be 12. Now let's take this over here. Here it should be what? 12. 12, 14 minus 12 root 2i x plus iy. Then this will be 12 again, right? 14, this is correct. Okay. And next part here onwards. Let's correct it and write it correctly. This part onwards, let's redo it. Now, second equation will be like minus 12 root 2 equals to 2xy, right? Minus 12 root 2 equals to 2xy. Then this 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Xy equals to what? Minus 6 root 2. Xy is minus 6 root 2. Okay. And thus x is equal to minus 6 root 2. Okay. We should take y is equal to minus 6 root 2 upon x. Equation 2. Now put this in equation 1. Put in equation 1. Then this equation 1 becomes what? 14 is equal to x square minus y square minus 6 root 2 upon x square, right? Where this x and y are real numbers. Then it will be x square minus root 2 square, it is 2, minus 6 square 36 upon x square is equal to 14. Do cross multiplication and simplify. 14 is equal to x raised to 4, this minus 72 upon x square. If we simplify it further, 14x square, what should we get? 14x square, okay, equals to x raised to 4 minus 72. Therefore, x raised to 4 minus 14x square minus 72 is equal to 0. Okay, in it, put x square equals to t, which is positive real number. Therefore, this becomes what? T square minus 14t minus 72 is equal to 0. Okay. Again, solve this quadratic equation in t for t, a positive real number. Which method we should apply to solve this quadratic equation? Can we easily solve it by factorization? Can we solve it by factorization? Take it out. Term as minus 14, product as minus 72. Can we? What do you want? Sum as 14. Yes. It is a 9 to the 18 minus 4. It is minus 18 plus 4 minus 18 into 4. So it will be t square minus 18t plus 4t minus 18 into 4 equals to 0. This is the factorization. So it is t square minus t square. No? So we have taken t as a common. T as a common taken. So it is t minus 18 plus 4 is taken common, t minus 18 equals to 0. Therefore, t minus 18, t plus 4 equals to 0. Therefore, t equals to 18 or t equals to minus 4, which is not possible. Cover not possible है? Because t is positive real number. Therefore, t must be 18. Now take this t and x square equals to t equals to 18. Therefore, x equals to what? X equal to plus or minus square root of 18. Now,
Yes.
if x is plus or minus square root of 18, y becomes, put in equation 2 above, y becomes what? Minus 6 root 2 upon x. Y equals to minus 6 root 2 upon x equals to minus 6 root 2 upon 8 root 18 equals to minus 6 root 2 upon 3 root 2, right? Root 2 is cancelled, it is a 6 equal to minus 2 or y equals to minus 6 root 2 upon minus root 80. So it is minus minus becomes plus 6 root 2 upon square root of 9 into 2. 3 root 2. Root 2 is cancelled. It is 2. So x is equals to when x is equals to plus root 18, y is equals to what? When x is equal to plus root 18, when x is equal to plus root 18, y is equal to minus 2, and when x equals to minus root 18, this minus root 18, y is equal to plus 2. Okay. Now this x and y is what? This x and y is what? The square root of complex number. Square root of 14 minus 12 root 2 I. Therefore, square root of 14 minus 12 root 2 I is equal to what? Either root 18 minus 2I or root minus root 18 plus 2I. Okay. And if now we need to write what? We have to write what? This x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of delta. Minus b, x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of delta upon 2a. So it is minus b. What is minus b? Minus b. 3 root 2 plus 2i. 3 root 2 plus 2i minus b plus or minus root plus or minus this root 18 minus 2i upon 2 into what is a? Is a minus 4ac. 1. A is equal to 1. So it is what? Fully 3 root 2 plus 2i plus root 18 minus 2i upon 2 or equals to 3 root 2 plus 2i minus root 18 plus 2i upon 2. Now add these two, we get minus 2i this and plus 2i this get cancelled. Here also, here it is, it becomes what? 3 root 2 plus root 18. 3 root 2 plus root 18. Root 18 is 9 to 3 root 2 upon 2. That is 6 root 2 upon 2 means 3 root 2 actually. Okay. And or is equal to what? Here is 3 root 2 and this minus 3 root 2 gets cancelled. 4i upon 2. It is 2i only. So square root of this complex number, sorry, solution x is equal to solution of this complex number is complex quadratic equation is 3 root 2 or 2i. These are two roots of this quadratic equation. It was very lengthy and very complicated. We have solved this completely, but we made a mistake in the first video where we by mistakenly taken this only as a first term negative, but it is actually what? It is actually the whole term negative. I don't know, have you all got this or not?
Yes.
Okay. So will you write it later on?
Yes.
Corrected part. It was very
Okay.
lengthy example.
Yeah.
We required 4 pages.
Yes. Just send me the recording so I'll complete it.
Yes, I will complete and share the recording with you. Okay. Now tell me, what should we do with this example? Next example. What should we do with this example? Tell me the procedure to solve this quadratic equation.
Sir, are we done today? I have to do exam today. Tomorrow.
Okay, so then we will solve these remaining questions in tomorrow's session. Okay,
Okay.
I will
Okay.
share this link to you.
Yes. Okay, sir.